Welcome to my video on how to make a fun and unique floral arrangement. Stay tuned if you want to see how I made this beauty at a totally affordable cost. As soon as you get home from the market, it's time to process your flowers. Processing includes removing any and all paper, plastic, rubber bands, and any other packaging that's on your stems. You also want to remove any extra leaves that can take water from your blooms. And you want to give each stem a diagonal cut so they get the most surface area to drink water from. When it comes to choosing my flowers, it really just depends on what my heart desires that day. The Dahlia was the first thing I bought this morning. Orange has been my favorite color lately, so when I saw these stunners, it was a done deal. Butterfly Ranunculus are a favorite of mine. Their natural different levels make them an easy way to add dimension. These are bush carnations. I like carnations because they are strong and last a long time. Some carnations have just a single bloom, while others have multiple blooms to one stem, like these. This is chamomile. I like their bright yellow color and that there's so many blooms to one stem. This is EREMURUS. I chose this because I knew it would help add some height, and it looked like weird arms, so I figured it would automatically make any arrangement unique, which is kind of my thing. After I got home, I decided to take a walk and forage for a few more things, like this amazing kangaroo paw. I also love this purple stuff. No idea what it's called, but the purple color is going to be the perfect contrast to the rest of our color palette. I'm just using a pretty typical vase today. I would say it's on the smaller side, but my arrangement is definitely not going to be. For arrangements like this, I like to use floral foam. Gonna slow this part down for you because it's too damn satisfying. I like to leave my foam a little taller than the vase so we can have some downward angled stems. Fill her up with water, and here we go. I start with the largest items, or the items that are gonna give me my shape first, so that's definitely our EREMURUS. You wanna make sure the ends of your stems are completely naked so that they can easily pierce the foam. To decide where to place these crazy things, I focus on having a pleasing shape to the eye that has many different planes. When it comes to flowers, I like to avoid anything flat looking. You want to use any extra pieces of EREMURUS that you trim off to cover the ugly foam, because ain't nobody trying to see that. Next comes the kangaroo paw. Early on, I like to have a bloom that sticks straight out forward to help me create dimension right off the bat. I hold up blooms to see if they will work in that spot before actually sticking them in the foam. Then I'm just going to keep popping these bad boys in there. And I want to be sure to be adding some to the back too. I don't want to create a one-sided arrangement. Always making sure everything is working together nicely and still pleasing to the eye. Next, some long pieces of greenery. I also foraged these on my walk. I thought the bright green color would complement nicely. And I want to use the baby pieces to cover any visible foam. And another long piece on the other side to balance it out. Next, I want to start popping in my contrasting color. I ended up deciding to keep the majority of the purple clustered together on the right side of my arrangement. And here come the dahlias. These are so bright and bold, they really are going to be the focal points of this piece, so I wanted to be sure that they kept the eye moving throughout the arrangement. I like to use the cute little dahlia buds too. The cool thing with flowers is that you can truly use every single part of the stem. I felt like it needed another strong tall element to balance out the EREMURUS, and this dahlia worked perfectly. Again, always being sure to add to the backside. And now I'm going to add some butterfly ranunculus to help add dimension. Their light bright green really helped bring a freshness to this color palette. Some spriggy chamomile here and there to fill out any gaps. And finally, some carnations to tie it all together. And here's our backside. And lastly, just filling in any remaining holes with greenery, always being sure to cover all the ugly foam. And there you have it, she's a stunner. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming how-to flower videos just like this one. And check out my Instagram to see more of my work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
There's a fly on there. I can't deal with that. Okay, it's moving on the top. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.